عليكم. This is محمد خير, math teacher of KKI schools. Our lesson today is inequalities and their graphs.
Thank you, Ryan. And this revision for lesson 3-1. Question number 6, Ryan.
Okay, the sum of 6 and m is greater than 20.
Can you read the question itself here? Right.
Okay, write an inequality that represents each variable statement.
Verbal.
Verbal?
Yes, verbal statements. Yes. Thank you, Ryan. Now, letter A, or we start with A. The sum of 6 and m is greater than 20. The sum of 6 here. The sums of 6 and m, that means 6 plus m is what? Is greater. That means the fish will eat the letter, yes?
Yeah.
Greater than what?
20.
Yes, 20 here. Okay, so this is 20. We're done. So we write, we represent the verbal statement with inequality, yes? Now B.
The difference, yes, of t and 2 is less than or equal to 50.
Okay. The difference of 2 and t here, again, sorry, yes, the difference means t minus 2. T minus 2, okay, is less than or equal 15. See here, less than or equal, okay. Sometimes and here we have 15. Sometimes you don't know which direction will be the inequality sign, but remember, less than will eat
the number, of course.
Yes, so this fish will eat the
or
number.
Equal.
Yes, and equal, it has a sign like this, okay? Don't miss that. Less than, it will eat the number. But teacher, here is a -2. No, this, the -2 with the letter side, okay, or the variable side. So, okay, don't consider it a number, okay? Now, letter C.
The product of 4 and f is less than 100.
So the product of 4 and f is less than 100. Product mean multiply, yes? That mean 4f and 100. And between them, less than. Okay, so this is the product of 4f here. And less than 100 is here. Now, less than, so the fish will eat the 100 or the 4f?
Of course, the 100.
Yes, of course, the 100. So you draw this inequality sign. Okay, now the quotient
Of a and 3 is greater than or equal to 4.
So quotient mean a over 3. You can write it like this, or you can write it like this. It is up to you. Both of them correct. Yes?
Yeah.
So keep it like this, or you can do it over. It is up to you. And it is 4 here. Now it is greater than or equal.
Greater or equal, so the fish will eat the a over 3 or equal, and you put the equal there.
The equal sign. Okay. So this is a question number 6. Now we move to question number 7. Here, graph each inequality. Can you read it, Ryan?
Okay. 6 or graph the inequality.
Yes. You have to start reading not from the number here again. From
Because you read it.
Yes. Even you read it, you have to read it correctly. You read it from the variable or the letter. Read.
G greater than or equal 6.
Great. So I draw the line like this and put the 6 in the middle and circle it and fill it because the inequality sign, the equal sign here. Okay, and this is go greater mean what? Move to the
right.
To the right. Okay. We're done now. So if you read it correctly,
You do it correctly.
yes, B.
8 or T less than 8.
Great. T less than 8.
8, yeah, in the middle.
Yes.
And don't fill it.
Yes, circle without fill and move.
And move to the left because the variable is less.
So when you said less mean left.
Yeah.
Yes. Great work. Now see here. Can you read it please?
Okay. R less than or equal negative 18.
Yes, this is the number 9. And this is the negative 18. I will circle it. Yes, and fill it and move.
And go to the left.
Yes, move to the left. D, please. Read it.
14 or W greater than 14.
Okay, be careful. You have to read from
The
variable side. Yes.
You
So
circle the 14.
without fill it. Yes.
Yeah.
And move.
And to the right.
To the right. Great. Now this is a question number 7. Now we move to question number 8. Yes. A. Can you read the question, please?
Of course. Write an inequality for each graph.
Okay. Now I have this number line, and you see it is empty circle, and move to the right. Yes.
Yeah. I know how to solve it. You choose any letter you want or R any variable.
Okay.
R
R
greater than negative 3.
greater than negative 3.
And
From where you get the negative 3, Ryan?
because it is behind it the circle.
Yes, or down the circle, or yes. We start from the tail of the arrow. You see the arrow here? This is the arrow. This is the head of the arrow, and this is the tail of the arrow, or the circle itself here. You see it? This circle. So I take this number from here, yes?
Okay.
And the R, you get it from your head. But regarding to which direction the sign here, okay, it is depend on the right. Right mean the greater, yes?
Yeah.
The fish will eat?
The variable.
The variable, yes, great. Now here, select a letter.
Let's choose M.
M. And the number will be?
1.
1 from where you get it?
From here.
Yes.
And we fill, and it is less than or equal.
Greater. So it will eat what?
The letter. I mean the number.
The number less than or equal the number. Less mean or left mean less, and less eat the number. Yes? Great boy. Now number 9.
Write each inequality in order.
Okay. Can you read it?
Yes. P less than negative 3.
Or equal, you mean, yes?
Yeah.
So here we just just read it, Ryan, and this is the solution will be. Again, read it. Number
P less than or equal negative 3.
So you write P less than or equal negative 3. And here?
26 or W greater than 26.
Okay. Start from the letter. You have to read from the letter all of time, Ryan. Great boy. Really great boy. Now here?
Define a variable and
This is very important question, Ryan. Okay.
define a variable and write an inequality to model each situation. Yes.
So we have to define a variable from our head, or yes, I think, and write the inequality. Can you read the first one, please?
At most 10 people may use the treadmills at any time in the gym.
Great. Let me tell you something. At most mean at least.
Yeah.
Okay? That means the fish will eat the number. Okay? Okay. And wait. Athletes at least here means greater than. So at most, less than.
At least greater than.
Great. Now I have this situation. Okay. So I start to pick any letter. At most, people use the trade mails at any time in gym. Okay, so I will select P and 10 and at most.
At most, so the fish will eat the tin.
Yes, at most mean at least. But is there any equal or not?
There is.
There is equal. At most 10. Yes. So the 10 is one of the solution. So at most mean less or equal. This is the first very important information. The second one, can you read it?
To train for a marathon, a runner decides that she must run at least 12 miles each day.
Great. Athletes, we said athletes means greater. Yes, means greater. Yes, greater or equal. So train, T, and the number is 12. Okay.
So T is greater or equal to 12.
Like this. Okay, my boys? Okay. So remember that at most mean at least, and at least mean, sorry, at most means less than or equal, and at least mean greater than or equal. Sorry for if I missed anything, but the last answer at most less than or equal, and at least greater than or equal. Okay, now number 11, write each inequality in word. Just read it.
Okay. Any greater than 3. And less than 3.
Less than 3. How you know it is less than, Maria?
Because the fish eat the number.
Less mean the fish eat the number. Now B.
Okay. Or T.
Yes.
Okay. T greater than or equal 8.5.
Great. C.
Negative 4 great. Yes. J less than. G less than negative 4.
G less than or
G greater than less greater G greater than negative 4.
G greater than negative 4. You have to focus, Ryan. Okay. If you are very fast, it's not good. You have to calm down. So read it again for the student, my students.
G greater than negative 4.
Okay. Okay here? Without confusing, please.
Okay, W greater than or equal 18.
Okay. Can you explain to student to stop confusing Ryan? Because sometimes we confuse about this. How I know it is less or equal?
If the fish ate the variable, that is greater. Or if it eats the letter or the number, it is
less.
less.
And every time we read from which side?
From the variable side.
Or the letter side. Great. Now number 12 here. Determine whether the given value is a solution or not. Okay, or the solution of the given inequality. What we mean by the solution? The number that make the inequality correct. So he give me the inequality here and give me the value of the variable. The value of the variable, it is 2w less than 3. So, but here he give me the value of the variable here, or w, it is equal negative 4. So what I have to do, I have to remove the w, okay, and put the negative 4, okay. So it is 2 multiply negative 4 less than, is less than 3. I continue. 2 multiply negative 4 again.
2 negative. 2 negative.
2 multiply 4.
It is 8.
and put the negative, so it is negative 8. I know you don't know about the negative number, but it just to know يعني. Okay, it is negative 8. Is negative 8 greater than or less than 3?
No. Yes, yes.
Sure. So is that correct? Is this statement correct? Yes or no? Read it again.
Negative 8 it's less than 3.
So you put is here and you read. Is negative 8 less than 3?
Yes.
Yes, that means this value is a solution. Okay?
Okay.
So we say yes, determine. So yes, this is a solution. So the negative 4 here, solution. So again, what is the solution? The solution is the number or the value that make the inequality correct. Now here, what you have to do here, Ryan, regarding what or according to what you learned before?
You try to make the variable alone and be, yes? Or no?
No, here just check. You can do it in your way. You you are solving equation. Here just check. You have to check. What we mean by check, you have to remove the edge
And the 6.
and put the 6 here.
Okay.
Yes.
So is there a hidden multiply?
Yes.
So 7 multiplied by 6
Equal 42 plus 2 less than. Let us write it first. Don't be in hurry, Ryan, all of time. Okay, do step by step. This is my advice for my students also. So 7 multiply 6, as you said, Ryan, it is 42. And yes, 42 plus 2, it is 44. Again, by slow motion. So again here, Ryan, get it. It is 42. Yes, 7 multiply 6 and 42 plus 2, Ryan.
It is 44.
44. Now you put here is, a big is. Now read it.
Is 44 is less than or equal 44? Yes.
Because we have
equal
sign here. So h equals 6 is a solution also. So here it is a solution also. Okay, my boy?
Okay.
Now the last one without any help, Ryan.
Okay. P less than negative 5.
Oh, what is the solution he assumed?
You will remove the P and put negative 5.
So I will put the negative 5 and do this and write this. Or I will do it with the black here. Yes. Now I'm put.
It is wrong, yeah.
Okay, read it.
Is negative 5 less than negative 5? Of course, no.
Great boy. So here is the
Not.
P. It is not
A solution.
a solution. I think we done, Ryan.
Yes.
Okay. So this is a revision or the full revision for 3-1. Listen, 3-1 inequalities and their graph. This is Ryan Muhammad Khair and
Goodbye.
goodbye.